Hi guys, so today I am trying out something different, so you're going to need a few items to do this. I've obviously got this mat here, silicone mat, so that I can pick up the polish off of it. I've just got a cotton round to the side, and this is the brush that I am using. And I've just got a little bit of polish remover in here so that I can clean my brush as we go and obviously wipe it onto here. I'm doing white and turquoise, and we're going to do 2 lines of each. Using a dotting tool, we're just going to blend the colours together a little bit. Now using the brush, we're going to swipe it along and pick up the polish. As you're applying it, you want to kind of use a bit of a bouncing motion, and you're trying to glide it along the nail. You don't really want to try and paint it as such, because that's just going to mash the colours together and you'll lose the effect of the marbling. To finish this design up, we're going to apply a sticker, and then we're going to do a couple of dots. So these are the stickers that I'm using, and for my thumbnail I'm using the largest.